RollerAds 6 helpful tips on how to be profitable with CPA campaigns. As you might already know, RollerAds now allows you to launch CPA-based campaigns with push notifications traffic. That's right, not CPA-based auto-optimization, but good old pure CPA. So today, I decided to give you some behind-the-curtains tips on how to make sure you are getting the most from this exceptional opportunity. Use the best creatives when launching your first CPA campaign. After you press the Start button on your CPA campaign, their system starts pushing traffic from all over the network and testing your campaign on all available zones. By using the best creatives, you increase the chances of your campaign being successful and bringing you the best results. If you are not sure which creatives are the best performing ones, the reasonable thing is to test a bunch of different creatives with CPC and determine the best one for CPA. Do not be greedy. I understand that getting access to CPA pretty much means positive ROI for you no matter what. But you need to stay cool-headed and play the long game. I suggest you set your CPA rate around 80% from your payout. This move will bring you a constant 20% ROI, which is quite good. But besides that, your campaign will be competitive, which will ensure you are getting more traffic, more equals conversions, equals more money for yourself. Do not forget about optimization. I have mentioned in the first tip, after the launch of a CPA campaign, it goes to a testing phase. The better the test goes, the more traffic and conversions you will be receiving further. So it is in your best interest to make sure that the test runs well, so why not help the algorithm? Let's say you do have a list of zones that you already know are not working for you from your previous CPC tests. Just exclude these zones from your new CPA campaign so that the system will not be testing your campaign on these placements. This move will ensure good test results. Use all available options. Yes, CPA is great, but do not forget that you can still launch CPC campaigns. Why? Because CPC will allow you to get all the traffic you want. For example, you have a CPA campaign running SOI sweeps in GB. This campaign is doing great, and you see some particular zones which are just the best, and you want to scale volume from these zones and then wait when it happens. Instead of waiting, create an additional CPC campaign, whitelist these zones, set CPC as high as possible, and get all available traffic from these zones. Knowledge is everything. Here in RollerAds, their goal is to make sure that all their clients are happy and would like to establish a long-term partnership. That is why their CPA model is a pure CPA model with no buts or tricks. Their clients are not limited to advertisers, and they care about their publishers a lot as well. That is why their rotation works based on open competition. Those who bid the most get the most traffic. With the CPC model, it is pretty straightforward. Just set your CPC rate higher, and this is it. But what about CPA? Well, it is not that hard either. The CPA rotation works on eCPM basis, meaning that the higher eCPM your CPA campaign generates, the more traffic it will get. So to scale your CPA campaign, you need to increase its eCPM. But how can you do it? One might wonder. Pretty simple. You can calculate eCPM with an easy formula. eCPM equals number of conversions, CPA rate, number of impressions, a 100. So for you to increase the campaign's eCPM, you can increase the CPA rate or increase the number of conversions by making your ads more clickable, increase CTR, or using pre-landers to motivate the users to do the conversion. Grow intensively, not extensively. At first glance, creating campaign duplicates seems like a good idea, but as a matter of fact, 2 or more identical campaigns won't give you more traffic. They will just mess up the optimization process and get you further from reaching good volumes. Create additional campaigns only if you make some significant changes in them. Check tips from 1 to 5 to find out how to create an additional campaign that will add noticeable profit. I hope you enjoyed the video and made some notes for yourself. Of course, these are not the only important things to know about CPAs and their platform in general. But remember, you can always reach out to your account manager and they will always be happy to help you out. I hope that this guide will help you better understand the intricacies of CPA campaigns and achieve the best results with RollerAds.